Today I'm gonna go over with you three different functions. Now we're getting a little more advanced in each function as we go. The following functions after this video will keep getting more and more advanced. Most of them will be more advanced. Some of them will be a little as easy as the date and time or the upper, the left and right functions that we went through. But today I just wanted to go through to the HLOOKUP, the if, and the index match function. So the HLOOKUP is basically the same as the VLOOKUP, except that they're doing it in the row from left to right instead of the column from up to down, this column. So, well, let me remind you, 0 would be if you want an exact match. And for this one being, we wanted the result that came out in row number 4. So that's the number 4 right there. That's the search query right here. And that's the name right there. So on to the if function. So we basically, if all these were greater than 12. Now, as you can see, 10 and 12 are not greater than 12. So yes, if it's true, and no if it's not true. Now, the index match function is better than the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP because it doesn't have to be in the first column. If you put something that's not in the first column, like for example, if you change able to, let's just say spirit, SPIRIT, if you change it, see, it comes up as not available. So anything not in the first row or the first column won't work for V or HLOOKUP. So that's where index match comes in. Now this is a random set of data. So for example, I put in that I wanted to find birdie. Now as you can see, index match right here. So H to J is the function basically right here. Now for the match, I have L45, which is birdie, which is the name. So any random name, or depending on what data you're looking for, it may be numbers or whatever the case may be. So like I said, you want to have a 0 in there, and this 1 goes back to these numbers right here. So as you can see, birdie did $8,523, let's just say sales, in the first column. If we do it backwards, we want to match something that has the number 78. So in the first column, which will be the search criteria right here, and this would be where we have 78. If we want to go backwards, we cannot do that with the VLOOKUP or the HLOOKUP. As you can see, it says NA. Here, I'll just show you right here. So let's just say I change wing to world, or well, fine. Let's put DIN. Okay. See how it says not available? It has to be in the first column or the first row. So this is where index match comes in, which is a little bit more advanced, but it works out to your advantage.